Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to fix spacing issues in Squarespace, whether you're working on a desktop layout or a mobile view. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged in to your Squarespace account so you can follow along in real time. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So let's just click on Edit Site and then click on Edit. Now, once you're inside your editor, take a close look at the layout and identify areas with uneven spacing. That's what we'll fix first. And as you can see right here, there is some lot of space for this two sections right here, for example. For this one, I have a lot of space right here. If I want to adjust the space, I can just go ahead and adjust the spacing of this element right here. Then, to adjust the space of the section, I can just go ahead and drag this until I fit this. So now we have removed the spacing issue of having too much space. A quick tip here, sometimes spacing issues come from padding or margin settings within your section. You can adjust those in the design panel if simple dragging doesn't solve it. And then for this one, we can also do the same thing. So for example, this button right here is too far from this text. What we can do is that we can just adjust the size of the block, and then we can just put the button right here. Then we can adjust the size of the button. So if you want it to be wide or you want it to be narrow, then we can also edit the button. If you want to change the text, and then for the design, and then for the spacing of these two elements right here, if you want to move them both at the same time, you can just drag your mouse until you select both of them. And then you can just go ahead and move them at the same time, so that you don't need to manually adjust the space again. When adjusting, use consistent measurements. This keeps your layout clean and professional. Try not to over-tighten spacing. A little breathing room helps your design feel modern and easy to read. And then you can just do the same as well for all of your other elements in your website. So just make sure that you check both the mobile version and the desktop version of your website. Then, if you're happy with the changes, just go on and click Save, and then Exit. And then, when we preview the website, we can see the changes is reflected for both the desktop version and the mobile version. And then, that is it. That is how we fix the spacing issues here in Squarespace. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching. Before you go, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I post tutorials like this every week to help you improve your website design and make the most of Squarespace.